Alright, well, today's adventure, heading up to Flathead Pass, doing a double feature of videos this week. So there'll be two separate videos, but I have them both posted. And today I'm going up Flathead Pass. Yesterday I went up to Little Bear. Fucking slick as fuck out here, but going up in a blizzard today, so this ought to make for a pretty good video. So as you see, we got some pretty good snow going on. I'm pretty excited about that. We ought to make for some pretty good snow drifts to break up in Flathead Pass on the way I'm going up. I got a group of friends going up today too, but they're gonna go up on the other end, so maybe I'll meet up with them on the top. But we'll see. Alright. So just I'll show you guys the snow here. This is Montana weather for you. I think winter finally hit. Well, here we go. Head up to the canyon now. We're probably, I'd say 10, 12 miles from the Bridger Ski Resort. Yeah, she's snowing pretty good there, Captain. It's coming down pretty good. Alright, well, it's kind of getting slick here, ladies and gems. So I've got to get back to driving here. Alright, well, we made our destination. We're at Flathead Pass now. Not too bad drive, a little snowy covered, you know, because it's fresh powder. Hope to hit some deep snow drifts up here. Yeah, it's deep. This is pretty good drift right here. Alright, we had a little bit of a stuck here. So you can see the holes I was over right there. I was buried deeper as shit, but I got myself out. Alright. Oh, he's gonna do it. Oh, he fucking did it. Sweet. I need some snow drifts here. We'll get some snow flying around this. Oh yeah, there we go. Well, I done buried myself pretty good here. Kind of powered out when I was filming that last shot. And I didn't grab a gear soon enough, so we'll see how bad the damage is in the front. Might have to just dig in the front here. Oh yeah. Yeah, got her good. Okay, take two.
Second attempt.
Alright, I'm going to try and roll it forward again, Merlin.
Get us up on top, we'll get a little more in deep.
good.
Huh?
That went good.
Yeah.
You guys should just take it super slow, man.
Yeah. Back of the trail.
Well, as you can see, I got myself in that sticky situation. Holy fuck. I didn't expect snow to be this deep back here. Just glad I quit snowing so we can see where we're going. Oh man. What a day though. Hell of an adventure. So I cheated and I'm driving on top of this road here because, uh-oh. Fence. Alright. Yeah, I cheated because I don't want to get inside that drift of the road there. Make it difficult for us since we already got a trail broken. So there we go. All right. Some deep shit out here. Trying to get to the spot I was at there. We're just trying to get turned around here, get to Flathead Pass. Pretty tough spot here. Another spot earlier, yeah. Alright, let's see. There he goes, there he goes. trying to get a spot to turn around. Ooh, a little close. Okay, where's he gone? Is he coming forward again? Might have to back up and give him a little more room. Okay, he got himself in a spot there. Sweet. Alright. Fucking deep ass shit here. Yeah. There you go. Alright, well, time for you to go down. I know, what's he gonna do? Is he gonna play? Trying a different part of the trail. We're gonna make Flathead Pass today. Maybe I need my GoPro. There's the first hole we got stuck at. See if he makes it through. Just up here for a second.
No, I drank all of them. Right, yeah, I saw it. That's good. Hey, did you eat today? No, I'm gonna.
Oh yeah, there he goes.
Extra buzz for you. That's why I'm so wasted off it, man. It's like I'm seeing things. Yeah, you can hardly see it, man. You should take my car keys because I can't drive.
Oh, okay, he did it, so now it's my turn. Awesome. There you go, Merlin. Well, we made it to Flathead Pass. I had to turn around and take a bypass route. The other road was just too drifted over. And it's kind of crazy. I'm doing this in two-wheel drive right now. Nice little trail broke here though, but it's snowing pretty good too. Pretty damn cool. Alright. Somebody's been playing up here before us. Alright. Alright, time to lock in. So I'll show you guys how I do this. So right here is my switch. Just turn it on. Pull the lever. Four-wheel drive just like that. I gotta wait for my buddy to show up. Oh, there he is. Okay. Here we go. Four-wheel drive. It's snowing pretty goddamn good up here. That's awesome. Yeah, let him lead the way because I got the winch. I can pull him backwards if he gets too stuck. So, need some wipers. There we go. Now we can see. Fuck yeah, this is what we waited for all damn fucking winter. Fresh powder like this. Awesome. There it goes. There we go. This is some deep stuff. Well, we didn't make it as far as we thought we could have at Flathead Pass, but we made it quite a ways. Got some good video footage of us going through some really deep shit right here. The drifts are deeper than I thought they would be. But yeah, holy shit, it's fucking cold up here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Not sure what the next adventure will be, but previous video, I talked about going to Insanity Winter Fab at Naples, Idaho. And that'll be probably my next video project, so it'll be kind of dead for a week or two, and then I'll have a new video. But then again, I might go do a New Year's wheeling trip too for New Year's, so we'll just have to go with play it by the ear with kind of videos I come up with. So just please like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy my videos, because I try and do my best to make them as entertaining as I can. So until the next adventure, I'll see you guys later.